Welcome to Small Lathe. Well, if you see yourself in the mirror, it's because we have a magnetic base. And yeah, we do. So let's get to it. I'll show you how I did it and tell you why I did it. Let me secure everything around here, meaning this thing. Okay. There we go, secured. Put that aside. Flip the lathe. We've got these lovely little bolts there. There we go. And it's free from the bed. Get the last nut. And if you've ever wondered what it looks like under the bottom, haha, this is aluminum. So, and even though it's bolted fairly tightly, you can see brass and all sort of junk gets underneath there. Welcome back. It's the next day for me. Let me pick up the camera gently and you can see my setup. This is a sheet of stainless steel 200 series because it's magnetic. I've already placed the lathe base and we've cut layout marks. I'll get cutting with an angle grinder, and it's if you guys are worried, it's fastened in 2 points, and I will add a third point over there right at this corner, so it's not going to go anyway or anywhere. Woohoo! That was not as easy as I expected. And before I let go of this, I'm going to have to deburr everything here because I don't want to touch it by accident and get seriously cut. Let's get going. So we have a well, I had to sand it using my belt sander for quite some time. It wasn't simple, but doable. So we need to put this back on, and we need to make sure we got the holes more or less right. So I'm going to stick some stickers there so I can mark my hole correctly. Right, so I'm marking the holes on the we have a countersink bit, and if you don't know what a countersink bit is, the bit that has a very, very tiny flute, so it's very solid, very rigid, and it doesn't wander off, unlike a standard drill bit which has a really, really long flute and then it wanders. Also, we have a step drill bit. I've already marked blue where I need to stop. I need to drill this step but not over. Okay, 4 holes, all done. I'm going to check those off camera. If they're good, we'll set these up and fix the lathe. Well, I'm placing this at a certain angle so you won't see me. There we go. See if we can lift. And yeah, you can play with the lathe. So we can now set a micrometer anywhere you want, which is okay. If it's fitting, non-fitting, I can always play with that. Do any angle I wish, from any place I wish. For example, if I want one over there, I'll just put it over here, lock the magnet, and there we go. You can get over here as well. Alright, so yesterday you've seen me install this, and since it's a pretty darn good mirror, and I'm not really photogenic, or at least I don't like to be taking pictures, and since I wouldn't like my face to appear every time I do some turning, I found a solution. Actually, this is spot on, exactly the right length, which is amazing because the manufacturer of these strips has no idea I exist, not to mention the bed of the lathe. How would he? And still, well, got these awesome little strips of paper, and you can put them like that. I'm going to put some magnet here, magnet there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day.